Scammers are increasingly targeting Australians by impersonating the Australian Taxation Office, also known as the ATO. These scams target individuals and businesses alike, aiming to steal personal information or money. Scammers use various methods to contact their victims, including phone calls, emails, and text messages. That's why it's vital to stay alert and know how to protect yourself. Being informed is your best defence. Let's explore the most common ATO scams, how to spot them, and what you should do if you're targeted. ATO impersonation scams are becoming more sophisticated. One of the most common involves a phone call from someone claiming to be from the ATO. They may state that you owe a significant amount of tax and demand immediate payment to avoid penalties, fines, or legal action. These calls can be highly convincing, often appearing to come from a legitimate ATO number through a deceptive technique known as caller ID spoofing. Another frequent scam is delivered via email or text, promising a tax refund. These messages often contain links to fake ATO websites that look almost identical to the real thing, but are designed to steal your tax file number, banking details, or other sensitive personal information. Here are some ways that will help you recognise a tax scam. The ATO will not make unsolicited calls with pre-recorded messages, nor will they unexpectedly call and threaten you with immediate arrest or legal action if you don't pay instantly. Any communication that uses aggressive language or threats is a red flag. The ATO will never ask for immediate payment through specific unusual methods, such as gift cards, cryptocurrency, or direct bank transfers to personal accounts. Scammers often create a sense of urgency to pressure you to act quickly without thinking. Authentic ATO digital communication will primarily arrive in your secure MyGov inbox, which you will access with your personal login. While some legitimate correspondence, particularly for businesses, might be sent directly to an email address, treat these with extra caution. Always scrutinise the sender's email address for legitimacy by looking closely at the domain name. Scammers might use email addresses that look close to ato.gov.au but have minor discrepancies. Carefully check any links to make sure that they are directing you to the genuine site. Before clicking, preview the actual web address by hovering your mouse over the link on a computer or press and hold the link on a mobile device. If it doesn't clearly point to an official ato.gov.au page, it's likely a scam. If you receive a message or phone call that you suspect to be a scam, there are important steps that you should follow to protect yourself. Firstly, don't click any links, download attachments, provide personal information, or make any payments. Hang up the phone immediately if you suspect the call is fraudulent, or delete the email or text message. To verify any communication that you're unsure about, independently find the ATO's official contact details on their website or another trusted source and contact them directly. You can also report the incident to the ATO through their official website. Additionally, you should report it to ScamWatch, the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission's website, dedicated to informing the public about how to recognise, avoid and report scams. Reporting a scam helps authorities track these fraudulent activities and prevent others from falling victim. Scams impersonating the Australian Taxation Office are a serious concern that requires vigilance and awareness. By understanding the common types of scams, learning how to identify them, and knowing what steps to take if you encounter one, you can protect yourself and those around you from falling victim to these fraudulent schemes. Stay informed by regularly checking the ATO website for updates on scam alerts and share this information to help spread awareness. Remember, your vigilance and informed caution are your strongest defences against these criminals. Cyber Audit Team has a comprehensive library of Australian-based training videos and courses that can educate your staff about cybersecurity and what they can do to remain secure. Contact us today if you would like to discuss how we can help with training or security services for your business.